Today we are going to construct the circuit diagram of controlling of the double acting cylinder by 5x2 push button valve. For this experiment we need the components as double acting cylinder, 5x2 way impulse valve and 3x2 push button valve with push button that is normally closed, and air service unit and compressed air supply. Open the software and choose the components from the library. First one is double acting cylinder. Move the component from the library. Second one is 5x2 way impulse valve. Go to library and choose the component. Next one is 3x2 push button valve, that is valve with push button. Go to library and choose the component, that is normally closed. Take one more 3x2 push button valve, because we can move the double acting cylinder using 3x2 push button valve to 3x2 push button valve. Next one is air service unit. Next, compressed air power supply. Selected the components and now connect the components serially. We can operate this double acting cylinder by using one 5x2 push button valve, or maybe using two 3x2 push button valves. Button and run the program, and we can check the table. We have taken two NC push buttons, NC valve left and NC valve right side. Two NC valve taken, and piston position is 1 is nothing but valve is actuated, 0 is nothing but valve is not actuated. When we set as first NC valve as actuated, this one is not actuated, piston moves the position from A0 to A1. Next, we have not touched anything for left side push button, and we can actuated the NC valve right side. The piston moves from, again comes real position, that is A1 to A0. If you activated both the push buttons, there is no stable state for piston. Now we can check. Here we can actuated 1 0, actuated is 1, the piston moves from A0 to A1. Next one is we are moving this one, moves from A1 to A0. Now we can move both the push buttons, 1 and 1. There is no stable state in the double acting cylinder.